Okay guys, part 2 of washing my day white squishy balls. I already put the soap on, and this one definitely my least favorite. I do not like this one. Just look at it, you can tell. And I do not like how it's brown. Oh no, oh my gosh. Let me put that up. Okay, but anyway, this is so squishy. It feels like big Orbeez. These are all matching ones. They're the same size. And these two are just any kind. I might be making more tomorrow if I get some more balloons. Oh no, I don't want them to pop. Okay guys, I have all of them in